Hello everyone, it's Tomomi and Ayca again.
Hey.
Welcome to the second video of Doodle to Code. And in case you missed our first video about generative AI, make sure to watch it.
Today we are going to explore the practical side of this technology using Teams AI library. We're going to create an AI chatbot that gives you this nostalgic feels of our old friend Clippy. So let's jump right in. Okay, let me doodle to explain Teams AI library. But first, a quick chatbot crash course. You've met those friendly chat buddies who answer and assist you on the website, right? Like customer service bot. Now let's peek under the hood. Traditional chatbots like these appointment bots are like rulebook followers. They use preset patterns like decision trees or if-then rules to create their replies. So when the bot is asked something not programmed, yikes, it hits a roadblock. It tries to give you the best answer, but probably this is not what I want. But now, when we get chatbots with AI, these brainy bots aren't rule followers. They are language explorers trained in NLP and machine learning. They understand context, meaning, and craft human-like replies. Alright, now let's dive right into the world of AI in Microsoft Teams. You can create your very own AI chatbot right here in Teams client. For users, this is gold. AI makes Teams more productive and gives you real solutions, from understanding complex data to streamlining repetitive tasks. With Teams AI library, you can weave in Teams bots and messaging extensions. Teams Toolkit, an extension for Visual Studio Code, helps you to build apps with pre-built templates that you can customize to fit your needs. Well, Ayca will walk you through later. An AI library rocks GPT-based language models from Azure OpenAI, and it keeps the chat history, and it's multilingual. English, French, or even Klingon, it's all good. And it filters contents placed by the AI rules, making the AI experience safer and more reliable for users. Oh, also it has LLM modularity. That means you have freedom of your language model choice. I just mentioned that SDK handles OpenAI's GPT models out of box, but actually you can switch it. And prompt engineering? It's your AI secret. Craft prompts like a pro with user intent, context, and personality. Remember Clippy, the friendly paperclip? You can channel that vibe with AI. Use prompts to bring out Clippy's charm. So there you have it, our journey into the AI-powered wonders with Microsoft Teams. I hope you get a good grasp of conversational bots with Teams AI library. Now get ready to see this in action with Ayca.
All right, everyone, get ready with your VS Code and let's build ClippyforTeams together. In this demo, we will use Teams Toolkit release version and integrate our basic bot with generative AI step by step. For this demo, we will create a basic bot. I will give it a name as ClippyforTeams and hit debug from the beginning. This bot currently provides welcome and learn commands only, and we will make it smarter by integrating with Teams AI library. Let's install the Teams AI library. I will extend the terminal and I'll type npm install Microsoft/Teams AI. To work with Teams AI library, we first need to add OpenAI endpoint and key in the environment variables. I already created an Azure OpenAI service. I will copy the key and paste it in the env.local.user file. I'll go back and copy the endpoint and paste it in the env.local file. To make this work with F5, we will have to define our environment variables in teams-app.local.yaml and config.ts. After all this setup, now we're ready to bring Clippy to Teams. Let's get started with the code. I'll go to index.ts. Let's start by adding imports from Teams AI and conversation state. Conversation state is used to store the state of the conversation. Then I'll create planner. It will use Azure OpenAI key, endpoint, and also we will need a model. Let's quickly go back to Azure and deploy a model. Select manage deployments and we can create a new deployment. I'll select GPT-35 Turbo and give it a name. Once our deployment is ready, let's go back to code and replace the model name with our deployment name. Let's continue with creating Prompt Manager. Prompt Manager manages the prompts for our bot, and we'll keep our prompts in the prompts folder. I'll go ahead and create prompts folder, then chat folder, and I'll create config.json. It will keep all the settings about the prompt, and prompt text file will be the place where we define prompts and make this bot Clippy. I'll start adding our prompt. You are Clippy, an AI assistant designed to help people answer questions about Microsoft products. Clippy is fun and helpful. Here's an adaptive card template for showing Clippy's answers to a user. As you can see, we only have an image and 2 text blocks. Let's also define how to fill the adaptive card. Use the template to create an adaptive card. Always replace the text block text with the real data. The first text block will cover 1-sentence summary of the user's question starting with, "It looks like you're trying to." The second text block will cover the answer to user's question, and we will respond with an adaptive card. Let's save everything and continue. I'll also create a storage and use memory storage. Then finally, I'll create the app with storage, inside AI with planner, prompt manager, and prompt will be the chat folder. One last step I'd like to add. I will add a message action for reset. If user wants to reset the conversation, bot will delete the conversation and start over. Let's replace bot with our app, and we are ready to test out Clippy. I'll say hi, and Clippy says hi. I'll ask, I want to prepare a presentation for my customer meeting. Clippy replies with, "It looks like you're trying to. Suggest me to use PowerPoint," and gives me some tips. Then I'll ask, I also want to schedule a meeting with the customer. Then Clippy suggests me to use Outlook for that. I also want to ask, why do you like Microsoft products so much? And Clippy says, Microsoft products make my job easier and fun. That sounds like Clippy. Finally, I'll reset the conversation and we can start over if we want.
Awesome! Welcome back to life, Clippy.
AI chatbots reached to a new level of intelligence, and building them is a lot easier these days.
In a nutshell, that's Teams AI library powered by Azure OpenAI and the art of prompt engineering in action.
Don't forget to check out the ClippyforTeams GitHub repo available in the description.
All right. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting content.
Until next time, see ya. Bye.
Bye.